Hi everyone, look at this spice rack that you can hang it on your fridge. Isn't that awesome? It comes in, I believe, 4 racks. So let's take them out one by one and see what comes inside the box. So this is 1, 2. So look how cool this is. Ooh, it's really hard and like really good, steady and strong. What cool about it is also comes with these, and I believe these also are like hangable like that, so you can hang different stuff on them. There is like 2 large, like the top and bottom, and those in the middle are like the smaller, a little bit smaller size. So you can put various stuff, your medication, your spices.